In this video, we will cover CR carriage speed adjustment. The carriage speed should be adjusted when you receive an error message on the printer requesting for the CR speed adjustment to be performed. After cleaning the internal area of the printer or during this initial setup process, or in the event that a part such as a print head has been exchanged and adjustments need to be made via the maintenance tool. To begin the process, from standby, scroll down using the arrow key and select Printer Settings and press OK. Now scroll down to CR Speed Adjustment and press OK. Please note that there are two methods of adjustment. One is for simply performing the adjustment with no cleaning of the printer if you cannot do so immediately after part replacement or when receiving an error message. While the other is for setup and after cleaning, greasing the applicable areas of the internal area of the printer that would affect the carriage movement. For this demonstration, we will select the first option, as we have currently performed no cleaning nor have we replaced any parts. We do, however, recommend, if the internal area of the printer has ink mist buildup, that you clean it and run the after cleaning setup version of this adjustment. You may press OK to pass this, and we will be asked once more to press OK to start the process. The process will begin and the carriage will undock from the maintenance station. In the view above, you can see what the adjustment process will look like as the adjustment is made. Once this process has finished, the carriage will once again dock with the maintenance station and an auto cleaning will be performed to refresh the nozzles. Please note the adjustment process will take about 3 minutes to complete. Either version of the adjustment will take around the same amount of time to complete. Again, the auto cleaning will activate once the carriage has docked, which is in this video and the process has been sped up. Please remember to perform a nozzle check after this adjustment for both the CMYK and the white side. This is to ensure all nozzles are fine before proceeding to print or make further adjustments in the case that either the periodic internal cleaning of the printer was performed, and also in the case of the part replacement where the maintenance tool will be needed to make proper firing adjustments before proceeding to print. After this process is complete, you will hear a pong sound and the unit will return to standby. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brotherdtg.com/help for further assistance.